Hi friends, hope you are learning good for step automation testing. I hope you understood each and every points in that tutorial. Okay, before moving to the next lecture, I am happy to introduce you to a course for iOS native mobile automation testing. So this course will really helpful for you in your future if you are looking to gather more knowledge about automation testing in mobile devices also. This course will be helpful to do iOS mobile automation testing. So here are the few things why you should enroll this course. First one is worldwide opportunities and demand for mobile automation. As now each and everyone is using mobile and mobile devices, app industry has grown a lot in the past few years. There are worldwide opportunities and demand for mobile automation testing is also significantly increased. As I said, mobile automation is the future because everyone will use mobile apps. For that, we need testers, automation testers to test those apps. And it is that if you learn this course, it will be added advantage in the automation interview. For example, if you are attending an automation interview, you can say them that I also know that iOS automation testing. These are all the things I know in iOS automation testing, and these things I learned in my own interest. You can say that those interviewer will be get impressed, and the course is available in huge discount right now. This is the Udemy course. You can for iOS native UI test automation. This is just 36 minutes course. It will really helpful for you in the interview, and I have covered all the basics, and this is the only course for pure iOS automation in Udemy right now. You can check this course in my profile and enroll. You will learn step-by-step process of mobile automation testing. So if you can learn theoretically also, if you do not have Mac machine or Xcode, you can learn theoretically. Just spend 45 minutes to learn, and you can tell them I know this. You no need to practice, just learn and tell in interview that I know these are all the steps to automate. This is how we need to configure. This is how we need to automate an iOS app. Like that, you can tell. They will be definitely get impressed. Looking forward to enroll this course. I will give you the link of this course also, or else you can check that in my profile for this course. Thank you. Keep learning.